Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Back on the 1997 OBS Chevy Silverado extended cab. You can recall my last video, we was putting everything back on after the cut and buff. The fiberglass rubber cowl, got that installed, mirrors, all the trim, molding, door handles. I'm still waiting on one piece of the puzzle. That's the tag light. Should come in today. It's the LED tag light. I still gotta put the tail lights in. But after that, it's pretty much done. But while I'm waiting, we're gonna ceramic coat it. And we're gonna be using the cheapest ceramic coat on Amazon. It's the Mr. Fix. It's about $9, $10 at the most. You can get ceramic coating from anywhere from $9 all the way up to hundreds of dollars. I got another box here. I think this here was like $20. It's 50 milliliters. This 30. But 30 will be enough to do a whole vehicle. But first step is wiping everything down because you want to remove all the wax and polish. And I had already cut and buffed it, so I got some polish on it probably. So we're gonna remove it. I call this panel prep. It's just alcohol and water mixed together. And we're gonna get a fresh microfiber cloth and wipe everything down. So let's do that first. I think this is the most important step, is getting it clean of wax and grease. Because you don't want a ceramic coat on top of it. You'll lock it down, lock it in. So you want to make sure the surface is clean. Just finished up with the wipe down. Then we'll do the unboxing of the ceramic coating. You might get one in a different box because I have got some in different boxes than this here. It all depends on where you order from, eBay or Amazon. Sometimes they don't have instructions, sometimes they do. But we'll see, because it all depends on what brand you get. The instructions gonna be different. Like this in here. This a 10H. This a 9H. It just all depends. But we're gonna open up this box and see what kind of instructions you got in it. Okay, got my razor blade. This is the high gloss ceramic, 30 milliliters. Permanent protection, scratch resistant. Super hydrophobic effect, thermal resistance, anti-graffiti. See if this got some instructions in it. I think it do. Got a applicator and cloth. This is the ceramic coat. I think these the instructions. 1, pre-treatment. 2, plate and crystal construction process. 2, wipe the plating solution off. 2, uniformly extended plating solution. See how long it say to wipe it off. It says spray the appropriate amount of water onto the car body with a mist sprayer before drying. Spray about 4 to 5 drops onto a special sponge, applying a crisscross pattern to a depth of about 40 centimeters. Follow up the process each time, only 1 or 2 drops. Completely degrease to promote the post-plating crystal. Say from the beginning of smearing time, about 5 minutes after the summer, about 5 to 10 minutes after the winter. So this the summer, say about 5 minutes after you apply it, you need to wipe it off. But it's in between, anywhere 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna go with 3. But what they saying, you can get a spray bottle like I got here. You know, some guys do it, they'll mix some water on before they start applying this. It just make it spread a lot easier. But I got alcohol in this one here, so I'm gonna have to pour it out and just put some straight water, or find another bottle of wine. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix some water on. Let me find another bottle if I can. If I can, I just pour that in something else. I'm just gonna use this same spray bottle. I just put some water in it, straight water. Let's get set up. We're gonna fold this cloth in half, put our sponge on it. You want the soft end to the body of the car. All right, let me open up this first. 4 to 5 drops to start off with. Then after that, put 1 to 2 drops. I think that'll be good enough. Then we're gonna, I guess we'll start here. We're gonna mist it on. I like to mist some water on. We're gonna be working in maybe 12 by 12. 13 by 13 section. You want to go vertical and horizontal. First we're going to go up like this here. Spread the ceramic coating on. Then we're going to go this way. It say wait 5 minutes in the summertime, but it all depends on your temperature. When it starts hazing up, that's when you need to wipe it off. You don't want to let it just sit on there because it's going to be hard to come off. We'll let it sit for a minute or 2. Okay, let me show you the section I did. This the section, been ceramic coated. This hasn't. Still flashing off. I had waited 5 minutes, like the instructions said. And you can work in larger sections. I just wanted to work in this 12 by 12, 13 by 12 section, just to show you. Now I got a fresh microfiber cloth. We're gonna wipe it off. Well, we're gonna buff it. Just that simple there. I'm gonna finish it out. I probably do half for the hood at one time, then do the other half. This next section, I'm gonna do it without misting water on. You can do it either way. Make sure it's evenly sprayed. It's just a high concentrate. Mist and water, you like diluting it to me. And spray it pretty easy without the water. Here's the results of the ceramic coating. I just finished wiping it down. You want to make sure you wipe it down good. Use a light. Make sure you got all the areas because you don't want it to harden up. Then you have to polish it off. It's hard to get off once it harden up. Now you can pull it out in the sun for a couple of hours to somewhat cure it, but you don't want to put no water on it at least 3 days. You want it to get fully hardened. But I'm just gonna let it sit out here because I'm still waiting on that tag light. Then I gotta put the turn signals in. I got the nuts for it, I just ain't put them in yet. And I'm thinking about putting a Chevrolet sign on the tailgate, a decal, so I could be doing that while the ceramic coat harden up. Y'all tell me what y'all think.
Never stop.